Welcome, ladies and germs, back to the autocorrected channel. In this episode, we are going to be doing a lot of boring stuff. But, anywho's, thanks for checking in. This episode, we're going to worry about getting the fuel lines out, a couple of the remaining brake lines out of it, and we're going to be painting a couple things like the shocks, kind of pretty them up, the frame, the bottom of the brand new fuel tank, and just overall gussying up a little bit to prepare for reassembly. So, stick around, hope you enjoy it, and remember, here at AutoCorrected, we don't make mistakes, we make custom modifications. AutoCorrected. As I've said many times before, this frame's in really good shape, but I want to protect it as best I can from future weather and or salt from the roads and anything else. Now also, the reason why I decided to paint the bottom of the tank, you'll see that here in a little bit, is because I'm not going to put that cover back on it, because that's what caused it to rot to begin with. So it's just a plastic cover, just, one of those little shields that just keeps rocks from chipping at it or whatever. So I think it'll be fine just to leave that off of there. It's a little damaged anyways, so yeah, we'll just chuck it. So also I had to get the fuel lines loose from up at the throttle body. It goes down the throttle body, down the back of the intake, back at the engine, and then it kind of rides right on top of the transmission all the way until it comes to the union. Both of them have a union in the middle. And I had to actually take the body mount bolts out and jack the front of the truck up to get it to get it to enough room to get the clips out, get those lines out, and get them taken care of. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to get back at her, and we'll see you at the end. Alright folks, that about does it for this video. I appreciate you sticking around to the end. Comment down below if you feel like you like this video, or you had some suggestions, or hey, why did I do it with a paintbrush? So in my opinion, a lot of people use rattle can on the frame and around it, and that's fine. But in my opinion, that's just pretty. It doesn't really do anything. It doesn't protect anything. It's not very thick. It's a thin layer. Most rattle cans are very thin. You get on there with a wrench, next thing you know, you already scratched it all up, and then you got the metal exposed again. So, my opinion, I like to do it with a brush and some good old oil-based. And this, oil-based paint, in this scenario, it's Rust-Oleum. That's pretty much what I use on everything. I used it on my Chevelle also. But I appreciate you sticking around. Again, hit that like button, subscribe, comment. It really helps the channel. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.